I'm doing my LLB from Mumbai. था हमेशा से that I wanted to own one clothing brand, but मेरे mind में fix है कि मुझे change तो करना है. 12 kgs down, Janvi Patel. You will see that video. So learned that mobile is just a shooting device. You can't treat it as a storage box. You have make videos. I want strangers to connect to my channel who likes my videos and who really enjoy it. Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. My name is Janvi and today I thought that I'll just sit down properly and introduce myself because many of you have been watching my vlogs but maybe you don't fully know me yet. So yeah, let's start. My name is Janvi and I am doing my LLB from Mumbai. I am basically from Silvassa, Dadra and Nagar Haveli. It's a union territory. You might know that place. I hope you know. But for the past few years, I have been living in Mumbai and completing my studies and everything. I also have one big sister and a younger brother, but they both are camera shy. But I'm hoping that you see them very soon on one of my videos. Also, I have my parents at home here and one dog. Her name is Mealy. She is the cutest. I have posted her many times in my videos, so you might have watched her. Her breed is Cocker Spaniel and we got her from streets. She was about to die and all. That is a little long story that I would like to tell you if you guys want to know, but not in this video because we are going to get off track. I want to introduce myself in this video, and also let me tell you that I have completed my graduation from here only, from Silvassa, and I have done a Bachelor of Arts in Economics, and I was always fond of art subjects, so that's why I took arts after taking science in 12th standard. I took a math subject in that, but I really didn't enjoy that much and I wanted to switch my options to something like art subjects which I used to enjoy learning, so that's why I did that. After my graduation, I thought that I wanted to do LLB, and for that reason I told my parents that I want to go somewhere out and study. So because of that, I just gave exam of MHCT and got my marks, got enrolled in Lord Universal College. You might have heard that name if you are preparing for LLB. Also, one thing that I wish that I should have done 5 years of LLB. I don't know why, but I just genuinely think that 5 years of LLB would have been so much beneficial for me. But it's okay. You're in 12th standard, and if you want to pursue law, then you should definitely go after 12th and give exams, CLAT, IELTS, everything, as you get so much exposure there and so much opportunities as well. So I would recommend you to give exams and go into the top colleges. That's all that I wanted to say. Now, let me take you 3 years back. When I first moved to Mumbai, I went to one hostel that was in Malad, and the hostel was very cute. They had a cute space and to sit, and bedrooms were also cute. All the bedrooms had the names on the door, and my bedroom name was Atlantic, and they had a double bed. There were 3 beds. It was a 3 sharing room, and it was an AC room. You get AC and non-AC, whatever you want. So I got myself AC room, and I had 2 roommates with me, and the bed was so cute. You had to get up on CD, and above level was the bed. एंड नीचे आपको स्टडी टेबल मिलता था. सो दैट वाज अ क्यूट हॉस्टल. वहाँ पे आपको खाना भी मिलता था, लाइक मॉर्निंग ब्रेकफास्ट, एंड रात को डिनर मिल जाता था, लंच नहीं मिलता था वहाँ पे. सो आई यूज टू लाइक दैट हॉस्टल, बट समहाउ आफ्टर 1 year I didn't enjoy that hostel so much and felt very uncomfortable living there. So that's when I thought that I want to switch, and I went to one flat kind of PG. I don't know what you say. It was a flat in one building, but it was a PG. So I took the hall bed because it was cheaper. It was for 11,000, so that's why I took that bed. But the hall was very unsafe. Like anyone could come and go at any time at night as well. So I was a little afraid of that, and I wanted the door to be closed. So that's why then I shifted inside. That place felt really unsafe to me, so that's why I decided I want to leave this place. After that, I found another place. It's a PG and it's in a very high-rise building, so that is very near to the station and also very near to my college. So because of that, I found it very comfortable to be there because station भी सामने, college भी सामने, और सारी चीजें बहुत easy हो चुकी थी मेरे लिए उस टाइम पे. So बस अभी मैं 2 साल से वहीं पे हूँ. आप जो मेरे वीडियोस देखते हो शॉर्ट्स में, वो वहीं के वीडियोस है. वो मेरा बेडरूम है, 2 शेयरिंग बेडरूम. उसका मैंने फुल लॉन्ग फॉर्म वीडियो भी बनाया है. अगर आपको देखना है कि वहाँ पे कैसे बेडरूम्स हैं तो वो भी है, और अगर आपको वापस देखना है तो मैं वापस न्यू वीडियो बना सकती हूँ. First, I was in 20th floor, then I came to 19th floor because I went home in between, and because of that, I didn't got the 20th floor again. But on the 19th floor, people are also so good. There were, I guess, 8 to 10 girls living in the same flat, so it's kind of fun as well. This place has grown onto me, and I have started liking it. And if you say to me that you have to live in Mumbai, so I can just stay here. I don't have any problem with this place. So yeah. That was all about the hostels and PG that I lived in Mumbai. If you want any information, you can just comment down and I'll just let you know about it. Next thing that right now I am in third year and it's my last semester. My internals are coming from 2nd of March and I will be busy by then. Then I have a full April for my study leave, and in May first week I have my finals, so I want to prepare for that as well. So I have decided that I am just moving out from my PG and coming back home for the month of April, because there is nothing going on in my college right now. The syllabus is completed, everything is done, and there might be some revisional lectures only. So I don't want to waste my rent there. So I have just applied for move out and I'm coming back home. So for the whole April you will just be able to watch my home vlogs. And मैं ट्राई करूंगी कि सारे जो vlogs है जो मैं वहाँ पे बनाती थी वो मैं वापस वहाँ पे बना के आऊँ, क्योंकि वहाँ के vlogs बनाने में मुझे बहुत मजा आता था, वहाँ की struggles. तो मैंने वहाँ पे एक भी long form videos नहीं बनाया है, तो मैं जरूर ट्राई करूंगी that I make that videos before leaving from there. Because होता क्या था that when I used to stay in PG, I have to cook, I have to wash my clothes, I have to do everything. So because of that reason, I was not able to focus on my studies and I have to order every now and then from outside. So because of that reason, I don't want to stay in Mumbai for the month of April, because I have to prepare for my exam, so I can do this comfortably at here. And after my exams get over, मैं वापस से मुंबई जा सकती हूँ to do internship and all. So उसके लिए मैं फिर कोई और जगह देख लूंगी रहने के लिए, but अभी के लिए तो मैं आ रही हूँ, घर पे ही आ रही हूँ. Let me tell you about my bar council exam. So वो उसका भी अभी attempt होता है जून में. So मैंने वो वाला form नहीं भरा because I'm not well prepared to give my exam that exam in June. So I have skipped that form and I will just fill the form that will come in June or July, and I will give the attempt of the November, because I think that at that time I would be a little free and I would be able to learn and pass my exam with a clear head. So because of that I am giving the second attempt of this year for my bar exam, and till then I will do all my internships and learn from the seniors, and this way I will get so much of confidence and exposure and opportunity, and I can just make my CV so much better. So till then I'm not giving that bar exam. अगर आप लोग मुझे पहले से जानते हो, then you might know that I have been creating content from the past 3 years. जब से मैं LLB ज्वाइन किया था, from that day itself I have started vlogging. But yeah, 3 साल पहले मैंने स्टार्ट किया था vlogging करना, and it was such a great journey. अभी मेरे को इतने हाथ पे आ गया है कि vlogging तो मैं फटाफट कर लेती हूँ. शॉर्ट्स तो मेरे बनाना very easy for me. और शॉर्ट्स में मैं हमेशा रॉ चीजें दिखाती हूँ, like what I eat in a day, my daily vlogs, फ्रेंड्स के साथ बाहर गई हूँ, या फिर what I'm studying for my exams and everything. I just post randomly, जो भी मैं कर रही हूँ सब post कर देती हूँ, because I want to document it and I want to show you guys as well, and I want to build my career in YouTube as well. So because of that reason I have been focusing so much on YouTube from the past 3 years, but it's a slow process, it's a very hectic process that you have to follow. You can't get everything right away, you have to just follow that steps and you have to do it. But vlogging मुझे इतना ज़्यादा अभी अच्छा लगने लगा है कि that because of that reason I have been doing it now very randomly, very casually. कभी कभी टाइम टेबल बना देती हूँ and after that I'll just make the videos and everything. बट अभी मेरे पास टाइम इतना नहीं था कि मैं लॉन्ग फॉर्म वीडियोस बनाऊं, शॉर्ट फॉर्म बनाऊं, एंड ऑल्सो आई एम पोस्टिंग ऑन माई इंस्टाग्राम एज वेल, एंड आई हैव नॉट बीन सो कंसिस्टेंट ऑन बोथ द प्लेटफॉर्म्स, एंड मुझे लगता है उसी की वजह से इतना टाइम लग रहा है मुझे टू गेन फॉलोअर्स एंड मेक अ कम्युनिटी आउट ऑफ इट. तो पीजी में भी मैं लॉन्ग फॉर्म वीडियोज और ये सब नहीं बना पाती हूँ, मेरे पास टाइम कंस्ट्रेन होता है. ऑल्सो आई हैव अ रूममेट, सो आई कांट शूट एनी टाइम एनीवेयर, सो आई कांट डू दैट. आई हैव टू make sure that I shoot when she is not around, right? Because I'm a little shy, I don't want to know people that I make videos. I want strangers to connect to my channel who likes my videos and who really enjoy it, and not my friends or family who just subscribe me just because it's my channel. I want people who connect with it and who watch the whole video and who likes my content, right? Because that's how you grow on YouTube and Instagram. So my Instagram and my YouTube is a different platform. I use them different. Instagram has little aesthetically presented videos and YouTube has a raw form of myself. So that is a little difference that I have made on my Instagram and my YouTube, because I want Instagram to be a very cute and aesthetic page so that I can reach out to brands and everything. On my YouTube I want to connect with you guys, so that's why I'm showing the real me, the real side of me, so that you can know me well. एंड मुझे इतना टाइम भी क्यों लगता है? बिकॉज ऑफ द स्टोरेज इशू. मेरे को स्टोरेज इशू बहुत ज़्यादा है. आई हैव iPhone 13 Pro Max एंड उसमें भी स्टोरेज इशू बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया मेरे को, एंड आई हैव अपलोडेड अराउंड 400 वीडियोज ऑन यूट्यूब. स्टिल आई हैव 700 followers till now, so it's kind of disheartening that people are not joining after watching the videos, because I get nice views. And also on Instagram I have been posting very consistently, but I have just 1000 followers. So many times I don't get much of the time to shoot and do all the things, because I have so many things in my plate and I'm not able to reach out in every section, right? So let me tell you about the storage issue. Yeah, so I have a storage issue in my iPhone, and because of that I'm not able to categorize my content and everything. I just shoot and I just keep it like that in my mobile, and because of that reason my storage is full. I have watched many YouTube videos. I have asked many people. I have asked my brother. I have asked creators by commenting in their comment box that please provide me what you do, how you categorize your content, how you place it very neatly. Because मैंने देखा है कि बहुत सारे creators जो होते हैं वो अपने past के videos भी use करते हैं. So how do they do that? Do they really keep all the videos raw clips and also the final video, or do they just delete the raw clips and just keep the final video? I was just so much confused. But right now I'm very clear because I have done my research. I have did everything to research it down, and right now I'm at conclusion of what I have to do, and I really know what I have to do just to get the storage. And I have learned that mobile is just a shooting device. You can't treat it as a storage box. You have to keep all your files somewhere else, and you just have to shoot from your mobile. And जब ये चीज़ मैं properly कर लूँगी, I will start vlogging much faster, and so many videos will come. I will definitely do that. The thing that I wanted to share is that I own a brand called Geely, और मेरा ये vision था हमेशा से that I wanted to own one clothing brand, and मैं ये randomly मैनिफेस्ट करती थी, सोचती थी, आई डोंट नो, बट आई वांटेड टू ओपन दैट समडे. सो आई थॉट कि अभी सब लोग कर ही रहे हैं इंस्टाग्राम पे, दे आर ऑल ओपनिंग देयर स्मॉल बिजनेस, सो व्हाई कांट आई. हैव स्टार्टेड दिस ब्रांड. आई हैव रिसर्च्ड अ लॉट फॉर द पास्ट few months, and then I launched my brand last year in April, and it was the most beautiful thing. I was so happy. I invested some money, and I picked out the dresses that I liked. And like that, I just started my brand. I have started posting on Instagram. I have named my brand. I have also run ads on it. I got orders. I got 2-3 orders, and I was happy with that. But right now, I'm not able to focus much on that as well, because I have assignments. I have PPTs to complete. I have exams. I have internal exams. I have PPT presentations, and all that is so much. I have to attend college lectures as well. From 5 to 9 o'clock, I come at home. So it's a little hectic for me, and because of that, I'm not able to focus on my brand. Also, I'm not able to create reels, because to run a brand, you have to create a lot of reels which connect with the people, and you have to vlog also your behind the scenes and everything. That doesn't happen because मैं मुंबई में रहती हूँ, and everything is here, everything works from my home. So उसके लिए मुझे यहाँ पे आके रील शूट करना, एंड कभी कभी मैं अपनी फ्रेंड्स का हेल्प ले लेती हूँ, दैट हेल्प मी विद दैट कि लोग मॉडल करो इन माई वीडियोज. तो एक दो बार मैंने वो किया है, बट स्टिल आई एम नॉट एबल टू डू इट विद दिस हेक्टिक शेड्यूल. आई हैव माई यूट्यूब, इंस्टाग्राम, स्टडीज, LLB, and also if I join internship, then I can't do nothing. So that is the reason that I have been not very active on my brand, but I am doing slowly and steadily. So I have thought that I'll just take it slow. I don't have to take so much tension about it, but I'm doing it whenever I get time. I make reels, I edit, I post it, and also I run ads. If I have money, I'll do that. So it's kind of working, but very slowly. And I don't want to close it because I think that I will be able to do it. Just I need some time, some money, and yeah, I will be able to do that, and trust of the people. So my another problem is that I have been gaining weight from the past 3 years. When I moved to college, I was very slim. My weight was under control, and I was fit. But after 3 years, all the things that I ate in these 2 years is now on my body, and I'm not liking it. I have gained weight, I have gained face fat, and I know the reason. I have been eating so much outside food whenever I'm in Mumbai, and because of that reason, I have gained many problems, and I don't want to be like that, because I have gained 12 plus kgs, and which is not so good. I'm getting symptoms and problems of many things, like insulin resistant, you can say PCOS symptoms, PCOD and PCOS symptoms. So I'm just kind of afraid that I don't want these things in my life. I want to stay away from these things. So that's why I'm trying so hard to lose weight. I've seen many vlogs in which I am trying to do exercise, I'm trying to eat healthy, and I'm trying my best to lose this weight, right? In the past, I have lost weight, so it's not kind of a big deal for me, because I know if I set my mind, I will do it. So that's my thing. But right now, whole situation is not good. I go to Mumbai, I come back home. I go to Mumbai, I come back home. This is my routine, and because of that, if I'm in Mumbai, I don't get time to cook many times, so I have to order it from outside. I also go out with my friends, so that time also I have to eat outside food. I'm not able to do exercise because I have a roommate, and if she goes away, I am able to do it. So in the morning she goes, so I do at that time. And if I have exams, I'm not able to do my workout also, because I will be in that stress only that I have to study, and I'll not be able to focus on that exercise only. So I don't do exercise when I have exams. And at home, it's very easy for me. I get nice foods, no junk, and every day I'm doing exercise in my bedroom at any time. Be that 12 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 6 o'clock, whatever time it is, I will just show up and I'll just do it. So at home, it's easier for me to lose weight, I think, than to be in Mumbai, because in Mumbai I go outside every time, so I have to eat it. And if I don't eat it, I have no other option that what I will eat. So if I go out with friends, I don't have an option. When I come back home, what I have? Nothing. I don't have roti sabzi. Then I have been not able to lose weight, but I'm trying my best. और ये जो सीरीज मैंने चालू की थी, मैंने कंप्लीट भी की थी बहुत डेज, बट आफ्टर दैट मेरे से नहीं हो पाया था. जस्ट यही रीज़न था कि जंक फूड खा लेती थी एंड आई फेल्ट गिल्टी. एंड ऑल्सो मैंने वापस स्टार्ट करने का सोचा है, बट आई एम थिंकिंग दैट घर पे रहूँ तो बहुत ज़्यादा बेटर होगा स्टार्ट करने में. बट मेरे माइंड में फिक्स है कि मुझे चेंज तो करना है. सो आज नहीं तो कल आपको वीडियो देखने को तो मिलेगा दैट आई हैव लॉस्ट माई वेट 12 kgs down, Janvi Patel. You will see that video. So for that thing, I will work, I will try my best, and I will share it with you guys, everything that I do. And yeah, that is all about my fitness. And now you might have known that why it is getting difficult for me to lose such weight, and why I'm gaining my weight. So yeah, this video was a simple introduction of myself. I wanted you to know me beyond the vlogs. If you have been watching me, thank you so much. I really appreciate if you have subscribed to my videos, and if you connect with my videos, do subscribe me and do follow me, and let me know if you comment down in my videos. I will definitely reply to it. So yeah, that's it for today. I hope I see you in my next vlog. Come there, do comment, and I will surely reply to you. Bye.